Today I'm going to show you how to get your ribbon toolbar back in Outlook. If you've accidentally hidden it or used a keyboard shortcut that made it disappear, don't worry, bringing it back is incredibly simple and takes just seconds. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, log into your account and wait for your emails to fully load. This ensures you're working in the main Outlook interface where the ribbon toolbar should normally appear at the top of your screen. Now, if you're staring at your Outlook window and notice the ribbon toolbar has vanished, perhaps you accidentally hit a keyboard shortcut or clicked something that toggled it off. The ribbon is that helpful bar at the top that contains all your formatting options, tools, and commands for managing emails. Without it, navigating Outlook can feel a bit limited. Here's the quick fix. Simply hold down the Control key on your keyboard and press F1. That's it. Your ribbon toolbar will immediately reappear at the top of your Outlook window, giving you back access to all those essential features and formatting tools you need. It's worth noting that this is a toggle command, meaning you can use the exact same shortcut to hide and unhide your ribbon toolbar whenever you want. So if you ever need to maximize your screen space while reading emails, just press Ctrl and F1 again to hide it. Then when you need it back, repeat the same shortcut. This gives you complete control over your workspace and lets you customize your Outlook view based on what you're doing at any given moment. And there you have it, a simple keyboard shortcut that instantly restores your ribbon toolbar in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.